Afternoon, guys. That time of the week again, where I actually prepare myself for the upcoming week, prepare myself and also my team at Liquidity Forex. Yes, guys, the reason for recording, as I always tell you, the reason for recording this is to make sure that not only do I share this with my team, but I also share it with all of you guys out there who might actually be in need of something like this. Personally, I have to say that this part of preparation that I do every single weekend before the market opens, it plays a huge role. It's playing a huge role in the success of our trades in the liquidity forex. And I've also had a lot of comments and a lot of good reports from different people who actually love this kind of preparation, who actually follow all these things every single weekend. Though they are not part of the liquidity forex, but it doesn't matter. After all, we just are helping each other here. So for me as well, to be honest with you, doing this, it gives me direction. It makes sure that at least as soon as the market opens, a lot of things I don't see them by surprise, because I'm prepared. I know that things like this might happen, things like this might happen. So without waste of time, we're about to start now. But before I do that, do not forget to like, subscribe, and then also turn the notification bells so that you don't miss this kind of information. Okay, guys, let us start. All right, today, what is it that I'll be looking at today? I've got two pairs plus DXY, and then I'm gonna also look at the gold. I will also look at two indices, which is US 30 and then Nasdaq. To be honest with you, today it's not gonna be long at all. As you can see, I don't even have a lot of things. However, during the week, as you know, I also do the same thing, market analysis. But during the week, normally I don't post it in the YouTube. In most cases during the week, I actually share it in my Telegram group, which, guys, please, I urge you to join it because there's a lot of things that I'm sharing there during the course of the week. So, yeah, let us start. Let us start. We're starting with the DXY, as I've said. As you can see here, right now I'm at the H4. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the daily time frame first of all, so that I can see. As you can see, uh, the daily time frame is showing us some strong momentum going down here, which if you check here, according to the daily time frame, we are still in this downtrend, but the correction of the overall move, which is still up. Okay. But for now, we are in this correction of downtrend. So we actually respected our key level, then we strongly dropped down. So the way it is right now, I'm only gonna think about selling in this DXY. So let me go to the H4. Okay, going to the H4, as you can see, the momentum is very strong. So this is what I'll be looking for in the DXY as soon as the market opens. I will first wait and see how the market opens. If it starts by going up, as soon as the market reaches somewhere around here going to this key level, I'm gonna look for my sell and then I sell, go with the momentum. Okay, that's as easy as that. However, if the market starts by going down, what I will do, I'll wait for it and see if it will break this level that I drew. If it breaks it, retest, I can sell to this level at the bottom here. That's what I'm gonna do. So, like I always say again, guys, that the market will either go up or down. So I just gotta prepare myself that if it goes up, what will I do? If it goes down, what will I do? So, which I just mentioned now. So if it goes up, I will wait until it reaches somewhere here or here, then I sell. But if it goes down, I will wait until it breaks here, retest, then I sell. But if it comes here and then fail to break here, and then start going up, I will take that counter trade to somewhere around here, then sell. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that's enough for DXY. Let's go to the next one. The next one, as you can see here, it's Euro USD. Okay, for Euro USD, let me go to the daily as well first. I mean, guys, this is very, very clear. The momentum is very clear that they want to take this market up. Okay, so what I'll be looking for, I got two key levels, which is this one and this one. These are the two levels that I think we will have some strong sales. Okay. However, before we talk about those sales, we gotta look at the current situation. Which, for current situation, if I can go to H4, as you can see, it's clear that we wanna go up. Okay, we wanna go up. So this is what I will look for as soon as the market opens. Uh, if it starts by going down, I will look for buys somewhere here. That's what I will do. But if it starts by, if it starts by selling, yeah. But if it starts by buying, I will wait for it to break this level, retest it, then buy. That's as simple as that. That's as simple as that. So I'll just wait for one of the two. If it's dropping, wait for it to reach here, then buy. If it's going up, wait for it to break here, retest, then buy. I'm done. Okay. Yeah, this week it's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is actually USD CAD. USD CAD. Again, let me go to the daily time frame and see what's going on. In the daily time frame, one might say that we have some sort of a head and shoulder pattern, which, yeah, it is. It is. So there's a chance that we might be dropping for, yeah, for a couple of days. In fact, yeah, couple, maybe this week we might actually be dropping. So what is it that I'll be looking for now? Okay, this one already, they've already broken below the key level. So after breaking here, one of the two things will happen. Either the market will retrace before it drops again, or the market will first drop, then come and retrace. So let's go to the 4H so that I can explain it better. Okay, in the 4H, as you can see, the market is here. It has broken here. This is what I will be looking for. If it starts by going up, I will wait until it reaches somewhere above here, or at least somewhere up here, and then I take sell. That's what I'm gonna do. However, if it starts by dropping, if it starts by dropping, I will wait for it to drop because there's a chance that it might drop maybe to somewhere below this line. Yeah. There's a chance that you can start by dropping to somewhere here, of which if it does that, I will wait, I will leave it to drop, wait for the retracement, which in this case, that retracement will likely not reach obviously up here. It will likely gonna come to this close level. Then that's when I will actually sell and take it down here. So I hope that's clear. So we are done now in the pest side. Let us go to let's start with the indices. Let's start with the indices now, and then we are starting with the US 30. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, let me go to the daily time frame first. Okay, it's very, very clear with the daily time frame. As you can see, according to the daily time frame, we broke above this level. So this was a retracement, I mean. So now we are likely gonna be going up. That's what will likely happen now. Okay. So what is it that I will be looking for? Already on Friday, I see a clear momentum, which in fact also engulfed the previous day's candlestick. So because of that, to me, it's showing me momentum that okay, they are ready to go up again. All right. So let's go to the 4H and see how we can go about it. Okay. According to H4, if you check here, uh, the market has already broken above in the H4. So they broke above, come retest. So yeah, they are definitely likely gonna be going up. Okay, let me go to one each. Yeah, now it's even much clearer now. Right. So here is how it's likely gonna play out in the uh, okay, the level, this level was broken, as you can see, showing us signs of potential bullish momentum. So I have also a trend line, as you can see. So I'm anticipating that the market might actually come down up to this level, somewhere around the trend line, then buy. That's what I'm gonna do. So I will wait for that, for this retracement, then buy. If it doesn't do that, if it starts by going up, I will wait for it to actually, let me see. Yeah, I will wait for it to actually break this level. If it starts by going up, I will wait for it to break above, retest, then I buy. That's what I will wait for. Okay. So going down, I will wait for it to reach here, then I buy. Going up, I will wait for it to break, retest, then buy. Okay. If you can note something from all these pairs that I'm talking about, for this upcoming week, I'm not really gonna be trading much against the momentum because I noticed that the momentum is pretty much too strong in a specific direction. So I will likely do less of the counter trades than the trend trades. Okay, let's go to the next one. The Nasdaq. Okay, let's start again with the daily time frame. Okay, with the daily time frame, as you can see, uh, Nasdaq, it still has a very good momentum to the downside. So yes, now it's going up, but I don't think it's gonna be going up till forever. It's still gonna drop this one the way I'm seeing it. Let's go to the H4 and then see, you can see something different. As you can see, this momentum is very, very strong. So the market is still gonna drop. It's still gonna drop. Okay, but otherwise, this is the key level for the H4, which we haven't broken it. Unlike in the US 30, which we have already broken it. But here in the Nasdaq, unfortunately, we haven't. But there's high chance that we are going to break it. There's high chance. Plus, again, I'm seeing again also the momentum of the H4, which is very good, showing us sign that indeed we might be going up. Okay, let me go to 1H. In the 1H, this is the key level I'm talking about. So I will be looking for one of the two things here as well. As you can see, also this one, it does have some sort of a trend line that I'm seeing here. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah, something like this. So I'm actually anticipating that the market will likely come to somewhere around there before it buys. So I'm not gonna take this sell at all. I'm not gonna do that. I will wait for market to come down, give me some sort of a buy somewhere around here, then I buy. Okay, but you should also take note that yeah, but yeah, it's still also in the same place. I was talking about a potential inverse head and shoulder, which it looks like it will still be around the same area. Okay, so I will actually wait. I'm not gonna take any sales. I will wait for market to reach down here, then buy. When I buy, if I'm buying here, my first take profit will be here. Second one will be at the top. And as soon as it breaks here, I will wait for retracement, then buy again. That's my TP. And the other TP, obviously, it will be somewhere up here. Okay. But if it doesn't start by selling, it starts by going up. I will wait until it breaks this level. Then, as soon as it breaks it, come and retest it. Then I buy, and then buy up to right here, or at least up to up there at the top. Okay, that's it with the Nasdaq. Let us go to the last one of the day, which is actually gold. Let us see what is going on with the gold. Let's start with the daily time frame. Wow, that's some serious momentum there that I'm seeing in the gold. So definitely is going up, and I'm not gonna try to think about any sell at all. Okay, this week my plan is actually not to trade much of the counter trade, as I've said. Okay, because the momentum I'm seeing is very strong. Okay, let's go to the 4H. Uh, Again, in the 4H, it's clear we even broke above this level, as you can see. So for me, it's definitely strongly bullish. So what I will wait for it is just a retracement. And the other thing is that with this kind of momentum, there's a chance that the retracement will be very minimal. That's why if you check here, my level here is not at something like 50%, which 50% will be somewhere around here, I believe. So there's a chance that the market can just retrace up to this very close level, then buy again. Okay. However, if it reaches here and never gives me a setup to buy, I'm not gonna buy. I will wait and see what it does. Probably, maybe it will be thinking of going to the 50%, of which in the 50%, I believe it can still also buy. Okay. So, in other words, I will just be waiting for retracement. That's all. Yes, there's also a chance that this retracement can be as minimal as even just retesting just this top part and then goes up. There's a chance for that. However, if it retraces just to this one, there's a high chance I'm not gonna catch it because this will likely be still at night. So, but if they can reach here, I believe then it will be the time when I'm also awake. That's when I can take it, guys. This is it from me. I believe it was very much informative, and it was very brief. I understand, which is very good, by the way, because you don't have to lose. What is it that I've been talking about? After all, as I always preach to you guys, that you do not have to trade everything in this world. Okay, if you can just have one pair, you can still make it in this business. Okay, you stick to one pair, you can still make it. Otherwise, if you feel like maybe you can add some other pair, I believe that even if it's just two pairs, it's more than enough. It's more than enough. So, guys, for this week, yes, this is what I managed to do. I wish you all the best, and I believe this upcoming week we are also going to have another productive week, as we always have. Guys, from me, this is it. Cheers. Have a lovely Sunday.